Hash tables are a special form of array within Windows PowerShell. In other languages or other environments, you may also hear them called associative arrays or even dictionary objects. They're really built around a simple structure. In Windows PowerShell, you start with the @ sign, which one of its functions is to be an array operator. Just tells PowerShell that you're defining an array. Hash tables are defined inside curly braces, and they simply consist of one or more key equals value pairs separated by semicolons. So you can have as many of these key equals value pairs as you like. The last one doesn't get a semicolon at the end, it just gets the closing brace. Here's an example. I'm going to store this hash table in the $hash variable. So I'm setting $hash equal to, there's that @ sign, and here are the curly braces that enclose my 3 key equals value pairs. In this first one, the key is server 1, and the value is this IP address. The second one's key is server 2, with an IP address, and the third one's key is server 3, and its value is this IP address. When I hit enter and define that hash table, I can then refer to the individual values by accessing their keys. Hash.server1 gets me the IP address for server 1. If I want to ping that real quick, I just ping hash.server1. And it feeds that IP address directly to the external ping command, and as you can see, that server's not responding, so I might want to look into that pretty quickly. Hash tables are used in several different places. Some of the most common places you'll see hash tables in Windows PowerShell are with the select object and format table commandlets. In fact, we'll have another thing on those, another video on those that you can look at. They're designed to take a very specifically formatted hash table, meaning they predefine the keys they want to see, and they let you provide the values for those keys. Hash tables have a lot of different uses in PowerShell, and you'll see them in different examples you run across on the internet. It's important just to understand what you're looking at. The @ sign defines the beginning of an array, and for hash tables that array is contained in curly braces. Inside the curly braces, it's simply key equals value pairs. Once you've mastered that, you'll recognize hash tables when you see them, and you'll kind of be on your way to using them in more situations.